Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my last video, I was telling you that we should be prepared for a slight move to the downside to hit the support of $28,600 and also the support of this very big falling wedge pattern as well. And right now you can see that we have hit the support of this $28,600 and even we are moving slightly down than this support. And we have also reached the support of this big falling wedge. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I would like to address a very big harmonic move that Sanjeev asked in my previous video on Bitcoin in the comment section. And even I have already addressed this move in my, on 1st of May when one of my patron, DM Dale, asked about this move on Bitcoin when on the video of Bitcoin when I shared on 1st of May. And this was my point of view that I shared with him. That was a possible harmonic bullish reversal sharp move. And in my point of view, it is quite early to talk about this move, but as Sanjeev always gives very nice suggestions and very nice updates about the breakouts or breakdowns about different altcoins and Bitcoins as well. Therefore, I'm just going to address this move on the YouTube as well. And let me to show you this move. In my point of view, it is more visible on the monthly time frame. And you can see that this leg is the harmonic leg is starting from here, from the month of March. And this is the March 2020, by the way, not 2022. And here we have 2 points of view. One is a possible harmonic shark and a possible harmonic bullish bat. And for shark, we need at least a retracement up to 1.13. That is a Fibonacci projection of C to B leg. And you can see that it is getting retraced up to 1.113. So for example, if we just ignore this slight difference and let's consider it at 1.13, and the final leg, the C to D leg, is at least 0.886. For example, almost here, that is $10,675 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement, and it will be, you can see it is showing us the projection in the negative zone. So it is quite unrealistic. So we can go for the bullish bat pattern, and for bullish bat we need the B to C projection. That is the projection of A to B from 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement. And then we can see here it is showing us 1.113. That is more than the required, even the maximum value of 0.886. So let's ignore this extra spike and let me place the exact values for you. And you can observe here that A to B leg is retraced up to 0.595 retracement level. This is, by the way, the retracement of X to A leg. And that is preferably required up to 0.50, but not more than, that should be not more than 0.618. So it is also acceptable. And let me place the exact values. I'm just going to calculate. So I'm going to calculate the exact values for you to show you the exact potential reversals on and the sells on as well. You might be not able to see my calculator on the screen. This is $28,600 and this is 64,895, 88.6, and 28,600. The exact value for C leg is 60,757. And this is 69,067.57. Now you can see the exact value is 0.886 we have here. That is $60,757. Now, the final retracement we need up to 0.886. That will be approximately up to here. But you can see it is showing 885. So exact value I'm just going to calculate here. And 64,895, 3850, 0.886. And this is to show the exact potential reversals on for this move. And there is 64,895. The exact potential reversal zone is starting from $10,808, $10,808. Now you can see it is showing 0.886. I'm just going to place this as showing you this potential reversal zone from here. $10,808. And it goes up to here. That is $3,850. That is a leg started from the month of March 2020. Now, this is the potential reversal zone, and this is starting from, to place this stop loss here. And the stop loss for this trade, by the way, below than this leg, and that will be a very, very strong support at $3,850. Okay, now we can see our buying is starting from $10,808 and goes to $3,850, and this is the exact potential reversals on the calculated exact calculations for this bullish bad pattern. And what can be our sell targets? That is the Fibonacci projection from A to D leg, and that will be approximately from here 0.382 to 0.786. That will be from $31,400 and goes to $54,000. That will be approximate value, and when this leg will be completed, I will share the exact values with you as well. But talking about this pattern will be again very, very soon, very early to talk about this pattern. If we take a look at the weekly time frame right now, you can see we have the 200 weekly simple moving average support just below the support of this falling wedge pattern. In order to complete this leg of the bullish bat, first we need to break down this support of the 200 simple moving average, and we all know that Bitcoin never broke down this 200 simple moving average since it has been appeared. Let me show you the history of this 200 weekly simple moving average, and this is, by the way, the Bitstamp chart, and you can see first time it was appeared here back in the month of June 2015, and we touched this support, we had a nice rally, and again we touched this support here in the month of December 2018. Then we had a very, very big rally again, and then again we touched here, and we had a long spike in the month of March 2020, and this is the leg that is starting of the bullish bad pattern that is starting from here, by the way. And then we had a very, very big rally after touching this 200 simple moving average. So history shows that Bitcoin never breaks down this 200 simple moving average, and in my point of view, the worst case will be touching this 200 simple moving average, and from there we can expect another reversal. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then on the weekly time frame, stochastic is showing that market is completely oversold, and even on the monthly time frame, this is for the third time that market of Bitcoin is getting oversold. First time it was entered the oversold zone here in December 2014. After that it was entered here in December 2018, and right now it is just entering the oversold zone. And if this 200 simple moving average on the weekly time frame breaks down, then we should look for the completion of this leg and this potential reversal zone. And by the way, the targets which I have shared are Fibonacci based calculations, but most of the times Bitcoin, whenever the Bitcoin forms any such patterns, like let me just show you an example from 2020. This was the Bullish Gartley pattern that Bitcoin completed on the monthly time frame, and I shared with you in those days in my every video that from here we can expect a very big move from $7,231 to $5,424, and this was just a spike, a long spike up to that was $3,850 up to $3,850, and it was recovered back very soon, and it re-entered the buying zone, and this potential reversal zone was not broken down, and our sell targets were up to $12,070. But if I play this chart, then you can see that we had a very, very massive move. It was turned very massive bullish. It was moving at around $6,800 or $6,500 when I shared this pattern. And let me show you that price when I shared this pattern with you. At that time, it was moving in this potential reversal zone. You can see the price here is $6,800. And after playing this chart, we can see that Bitcoin rallied up to $69,000 from $6,800. That was a really very massive move. And we can expect, for example, if this move will be completed, we need to break down for this weekly 200 simple moving average that I'm not expecting. Again, I'm saying I'm not expecting that. But if we will break it down, then we can expect this move, that this leg will be completed. And then we can expect a reversal move that will be bigger even than the previous move as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.